Hey, candle artists, let's talk hot throw. You've got a wax and wick combo that burns beautifully, but at 7% fragrance load, the scent just isn't filling the room. So what's going on? And more importantly, how do you fix it without starting from scratch? Let's dive in. First, let's talk chemistry. Not all fragrance oils perform equally. Some are just weak, no matter how much you use. Things like tea scents, green notes, or ozone blends often don't throw well in wax, even at high percentages. Then there's flash point. If a fragrance has a high flash point, it might not evaporate well when the candle burns. No evaporation means no scent in the air. And if your wax is soy-based, it might struggle with heavier oils unless they're properly formulated with stabilizers or emulsifiers. Now, let's talk temperature. Are you adding your fragrance at the right temp? Add it too cool, and it won't bind with the wax. Too hot, and it might flash off before the candle is even poured. And don't forget cure time. Soy and soy blends need time. What smells weak after 3 days might smell amazing after 10. You might just be testing too early. Finally, your wick. Just because your wick burns clean doesn't mean it's throwing scent. If your flame is too small or too cool, it won't heat the wax pool enough to release fragrance effectively. So what are your options? First, test at 8%, 9%, and 10%. Go slow, 1% at a time. More fragrance isn't always better. In fact, too much can make your candle oily and ruin performance. Second, don't be afraid to change the fragrance oil, not the load. Some oils just don't throw well, period. Try the same scent from a different supplier. Third, try a booster. V-Bar, beeswax, or even a bit of coconut wax can help stabilize the wax and boost scent throw. Fourth, consider wicking up. A bigger flame gives you a hotter melt pool, which can help release more fragrance. Just make sure it's still a safe burn. And fifth, give it time. Especially with soy, a full 10 to 14-day cure can make all the difference. Don't rush your testing. If your wax and wick are working, you're already most of the way there. Fine-tuning your scent throw might just be a matter of small tweaks and a little patience. Please subscribe if you got value today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, your candle isn't just a product, it's your art. Let's make it glow.